Hey everyone, welcome back to English Speaking Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. How's everyone doing today?
You know, David, I was talking to one of our listeners yesterday, and she told me something really interesting. She said she knows a lot of English words, her grammar is pretty good, but whenever she tries to speak, there's this annoying pause, like her brain is translating everything from her native language first.
Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about. It's like there's a translator sitting in your head, working overtime. You think in your language, translate it to English, and then speak. By that time, the conversation has already moved on.
Exactly. And that's what we're tackling today. Our topic is how to train your brain to think in English while speaking.
This is going to be good. And hey, if you're new here or you've been listening for a while but haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now.
Yes, please do. And here's why you absolutely should. Did you know that listening to an English podcast for just 10 to 15 minutes every single day can transform your English faster than any textbook ever will? It's like having a conversation with native speakers in your pocket. Your listening improves, your vocabulary expands naturally, and most importantly, you start thinking like an English speaker.
That's the magic right there. Consistency beats intensity every single time. So subscribe and make us part of your daily English routine.
All right, so today we're going to share 5 secret steps to master thinking in English. And I'm telling you, by the end of this episode, you'll be ahead of 60% of other English learners out there.
60%? That's huge.
It really is. Most learners never learn this skill. They keep translating in their heads forever. But not you. Not after today.
So let's jump right into step 1. Okay, step 1 is probably the most important foundation. Stop translating and start associating.
Right. So what does that mean? When you see an apple, what happens in your brain?
Well, if you're still in translation mode, you see an apple, you think of the word in your native language first, and then you translate it to apple.
Exactly. That's the problem. Instead, you need to train your brain to see the apple and directly think apple. No translation, just direct association.
It sounds simple, but it's actually a complete rewiring of how you process language.
It is. And here's how you start doing it. Whenever you see an object around you, your phone, your coffee mug, your shoes, look at it and say the English word out loud or in your mind. Don't translate, just associate.
I love this exercise. You can do it right now while listening. Look around your room. What do you see? Say it in English. Table, window, laptop, chair.
And don't just limit it to objects. Do it with actions too. When you're walking, think, I'm walking. When you're drinking water, think, I'm drinking water.
The key is repetition. The more you do this, the more your brain creates direct pathways between the image and the English word. You're literally building new neural connections.
And here's a pro tip. Label things in your house with sticky notes. Put door on your door, mirror on your mirror, refrigerator on your fridge. Every time you see it, you're reinforcing that direct connection.
That's such a practical hack. Your home becomes your English classroom.
Exactly. So that's step 1. Stop translating, start associating. Build those direct mental connections between what you see and the English words.
All right, step 2. Think in simple sentences first.
Okay, so many learners make this mistake. They try to think in English using really complex sentences right from the start. And guess what happens?
They get stuck.
They get completely stuck because their brain can't process it fast enough. So, here's what you do instead. Start with super simple sentences, like really simple.
Give us an example.
Sure. Instead of thinking, I'm feeling quite exhausted because I didn't sleep well last night due to my neighbor's loud music, just think, I'm tired. I didn't sleep well. My neighbor was loud.
See the difference? Short, simple, clear.
And the beautiful thing is, once you get comfortable thinking in simple sentences, you can naturally start adding more complexity, but you have to walk before you run.
This is especially important when you're having a conversation. If you're trying to construct perfect, complex sentences in your head, you'll have those awkward pauses.
Right. But if you think in simple chunks, the words flow naturally. You can always add details as you go.
So how do you practice this?
Great question. Narrate your day in simple English sentences. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. I check my phone. Just running commentary of your life, but in the simplest English possible.
And do this out loud when you're alone or silently in your mind when you're around people.
Exactly. The goal is to make English your brain's default mode, and simple sentences are your starting point.
Love it. Simple is powerful. That's step 2.
Step 3 is all about immersion. Create an English environment.
Now, we know not everyone can move to an English-speaking country, but you can bring English to you.
Absolutely. Your environment shapes your thinking. If you're surrounded by your native language 24/7, your brain will never switch to English mode.
So what do? You intentionally create an English bubble around yourself.
Yes, change your phone's language to English. Change your computer, your apps, everything to English.
Even your social media. Follow English-speaking creators, join English learning groups, watch English content.
And here's something really powerful. Consume content you genuinely enjoy in English. Don't force yourself to watch boring news if you hate it. Watch comedy shows, cooking videos, gaming streams, whatever you're passionate about.
Because when you're interested in the content, your brain absorbs the language naturally without you even trying.
Exactly. I have a friend who learned English by watching hundreds of hours of stand-up comedy. Now his English is hilarious and fluent.
That's amazing. And it proves that learning doesn't have to be boring textbook stuff.
Right. Also, listen to English music. But here's the trick. Look up the lyrics. Understand what they're saying. Sing along. Music is incredible for language learning because it sticks in your brain.
And podcasts. Obviously, we're a little biased here, but seriously, podcasts are perfect. You can listen while commuting, exercising, cooking.
The key is consistency. A little bit every single day. Your brain needs constant exposure to start thinking in English naturally.
So, step 3, surround yourself with English. Make it unavoidable.
And hey, if you're finding this valuable so far, do us a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps us reach more English learners like you.
Yes, please. And we've still got 2 more game-changing steps coming up, so keep listening.
All right, step 4, and this one might sound a little crazy, but trust us. Talk to yourself in English.
Oh, this is my favorite. People think you're weird when you talk to yourself, but guess what? All successful language learners do this.
They really do, because here's the thing. Most people don't have English-speaking friends available 24/7 to practice with. But you know who's always available?
You.
Exactly. You are your own best practice partner.
So how do you do this? Throughout your day, have conversations with yourself in English. And I mean actual conversations.
Like, what should I eat for lunch? I'm thinking maybe pasta. No, I had pasta yesterday. Maybe I'll make a salad. Yeah, a salad sounds good.
Perfect example. You're thinking, deciding, and processing all in English.
And here's another way to do it. Imagine conversations before they happen. Let's say you have a meeting tomorrow. Practice what you'll say in English. Imagine questions you might be asked and how you'd answer.
This is so powerful. You're essentially rehearsing in English, which makes the real conversation so much easier.
And you can even argue with yourself. Should I buy this? Yes, I need it. But it's expensive. But it's on sale. You're using real, natural English that native speakers use.
Another great technique is describing what you see. You're walking down the street. Describe it in English. I see a red car. There's a dog. The weather is nice today.
It feels awkward at first, I'll admit, but after a few days, it becomes natural. Your brain starts automatically generating English thoughts.
And the best part is, you can make mistakes and nobody judges you. You can experiment with new words, try different sentence structures, and learn from yourself.
So don't be shy. Talk to yourself. Have full conversations. Your English brain will thank you.
And that brings us to our fifth and final step. Stop being perfect, start being fluent.
Oh, this is the one that holds so many people back.
It really does. People are so afraid of making mistakes that they don't speak at all. Or they spend so long trying to construct the perfect sentence in their head that the conversation is already over.
And here's the truth bomb. Native speakers make mistakes all the time. We use the wrong grammar, we forget words, we say and constantly.
Exactly. Fluency doesn't mean perfection. Fluency means being able to communicate your ideas smoothly, even if it's not grammatically perfect.
Think about it. Would you rather speak with perfect grammar, but take 5 minutes to form one sentence, or would you rather speak quickly and naturally with a few small mistakes?
The second one, obviously, because communication is about getting your message across, not about winning a grammar competition.
So here's what you need to do. Give yourself permission to make mistakes. Actually, celebrate your mistakes because each one is a learning opportunity.
Yes, when you make a mistake, your brain remembers it better than if someone just told you the rule.
And here's a powerful mindset shift. Instead of trying to translate perfectly, focus on getting your idea across in any way possible. Use simple words, use gestures, describe things differently if you forget a word.
Like, if you forget the word refrigerator, just say, the cold box for food. People will understand, and that's real fluency.
And the more you practice speaking without worrying about perfection, the more your brain learns to think directly in English because you're not stopping to translate and check every word.
You're just flowing, and that's the goal. English should flow from your brain like water, not drip like a broken faucet.
Love that analogy. So, step 5, let go of perfection, embrace fluency. Make mistakes, keep speaking. That's how your brain learns to think in English.
So, there you have it. 5 powerful steps to train your brain to think in English while speaking.
Let's quickly recap. Step 1, stop translating, start associating. Build direct connections between objects and English words.
Step 2, think in simple sentences first. Don't overcomplicate it. Simple is fast.
Step 3, create an English environment. Surround yourself with English content that you actually enjoy.
Step 4, talk to yourself in English. Be your own practice partner, available 24/7.
And step 5, stop being perfect, start being fluent. Communication over perfection always.
If you implement these 5 steps consistently, I promise you, in just a few weeks, you'll notice a massive difference in how you think and speak in English.
Your brain will start automatically thinking in English. Those awkward pauses will disappear, and conversations will feel natural and effortless.
Now, we want to hear from you. Here's what I want you to do. Go to the comments right now and tell us, which of these 5 steps are you going to start with today? Are you going to label your house, talk to yourself, create an English environment?
Yeah, drop a comment. And here's the thing. People who comment are 3 times more likely to actually take action and improve their English. So don't just listen, participate.
Tell us your biggest challenge with thinking in English, or share your own tips that have worked for you. We read every single comment and we love learning from you guys too.
And if you found this episode helpful, share it with your friends who are learning English. Send it to your study group, your classmates, your colleagues. Help them get ahead too.
And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. We release new episodes regularly with practical, actionable tips just like this one.
We're here to help you become confident, fluent English speakers, and we can't do that if you don't subscribe.
All right, that's it for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening, and remember, consistency is key. Practice a little bit every single day.
Your English brain is waiting to be activated. Go activate it.
See you in the next episode.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep thinking in English.